If you're looking for a quick bite or delicious side dish, grab your cabbage and a farmer's sausage, and you can make this delicious fried cabbage with bacon and sausage recipe. Start by chopping up your cabbage, placing it aside, and then chopping up all your other ingredients like your farmer's sausage, your onion, and your garlic. Now we're ready to fry everything up. Start with your bacon and cook it until nice and crispy, and then add in your onion and your garlic and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in your farmer's sausage, cook it to get some nice color on it, and then you'll want to add your cabbage. Cook it for about 5 minutes until it cooks down. Then transfer it to your serving platter and cover it with your fresh dill. I love serving this with delicious pierogies. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.